Did you know that in the United States, non-toxic is not a regulated term? As Americans, we are often striving to be healthier through the use of non-toxic or green products. That being said, most people are not aware that these are just fluff words used by companies to encourage consumers to buy their products. To challenge this deception, it is important to know that all synthetic materials are made of toxic forever chemicals. These chemicals, called per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, are known as PFAS. They are found in clothing, water, food, air, makeup, cooking utensils, and more. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, the PFAS negatively affect the human experience in many different ways to include food quality, endocrine system disruption, and reproductive health. So what exactly are PFAS and how do they seem to appear in everything? PFAS, widely known as toxic forever chemicals, are part of a large chemical family summing over 10,000 synthetics. PFAS are used in paper and cardboard food packaging, nonstick cookware, textiles, cosmetics, and electronics because they repel stains, liquids, and dirt while providing thermal stability and durability while simultaneously improving the shine or consistency of a product. PFAS are also used in the makings of manufacturing equipment. This means that even when a product does not originally contain PFAS, that it is then exposed and contaminated during the manufacturing process. This is how and why ultra-processed foods test higher for levels of PFAS than other foods. According to Tom Perkins, an author of over 300 articles written for The Guardian, concluded that tea, candy, sports drinks, butter, chips, processed meats, and bottled water all test higher for PFAS. The damage of consuming PFAS through food, air, and water into our bodies has been highlighted by science in multiple ways. Epidemiological studies have shown that PFAS negatively affect our endocrine systems, leading to the disruption of reproductive health. In women, PFAS have been shown to increase estradiol levels and reduce normal fertility reproduction by altering menstrual cycles, triggering hormone disorders, and causing reproductive tract diseases like endometriosis and cervical cancer. According to a study in Singapore, where PFAS levels are lower than America, women with higher than average levels of PFAS in their bodies were 40% less likely to conceive within a year and 34% less likely to have a live birth within a year. In men, PFAS exposure has been linked to a decrease in testosterone levels and sperm quality, reproductive health issues, and cryptorchidism, a failure of testes to fall from the body. Medical scientists concluded that reproductive hormone levels are linked with a variety of diseases such as neurodegenerative diseases, asthma, and fatty liver disease. With studies showing that children are even more susceptible to harm from PFAS than adults, it is pertinent to be thoughtful with what they are exposed to. Considering the information and science we have on PFAS, are we doomed to a life of slow poison? Not necessarily. Although there is currently no cure for PFAS exposure, we do know that the strongest preventable action to PFAS harm is through proximity mitigation. Foods high in folate, like leafy greens, beans, and nuts, have been shown to decrease the body's metabolization of PFAS. Additionally, scientists have located 7 total bacteria in our gut microbiome capable of digesting down 2 separate types of plastics. With these findings, we may be able to create synthetics in the future that interact better with people, animals, and nature alike. To conclude, it is hopeful that in the future we can lower our PFAS usage to an amount that no longer causes harm to biological organisms, dawning a new era of health and wellness for all.